It's the air duct where we work together with Siemens, improving the performance. So we started out with an injection molded air duct. We then combined through design multiple parts into one part, which then we combined again with Siemens technology, software looking at topology optimization, and got over 25% performance improvement. We have now actually expanded that into battery cooling devices and systems as well. Incredible customer focus and understanding the customer unique issues and opportunities. Second part is meeting performance requirements. And the third is education. So that's the third one is, I think, actually the most critical one as we advance and bring 3D printing forward. Comes from the 2D printing business, where we invested multiple billions over multiple decades of business development and technology development. Thinking about it as a system, bringing software capabilities, data, service capabilities together, and also ultimately partnering, which is deeply in our heritage.